Winners of the European Cup, European Champion Clubs, European Champion Clubs Cup slash UEFA Champions League. 1956, Real Madrid. 57, Real Madrid. 58, Real Madrid. 59, Real Madrid. 60, Real Madrid. 61, Benfica. 62, Benfica. 63, Milan. 64, Internazionale. 65, Internazionale. 66, Real Madrid. 67, 68, Manchester United. 69, Milan. 75, Nord. 71, Ajax. 72, Ajax. 73, Ajax. 74, Bayern Munich. 75, Bayern Munich. 76, Bayern Munich. 77, Liverpool. 78, Liverpool. 79, Notts Forest. 80, Notts Forest. 81 Liverpool, 82 Aston Villa, 83 Hamburg, 84 Liverpool, 85 Juventus, 86 Stoy Bucharest, 87 Porto, 88 PSV Eindhoven, 89 Milan, 90 Milan, 91 Crvena Zvezda Beograd, Vidstar Belgrade, 1992 the last ever European Cup, although there was group stages in it. Barcelona, 1993 the first ever Champions League, Olympic Marseille, although they weren't allowed to defend their title, 1994 Milan, 95 Ajax Amsterdam, 96 Juventus, 97 Borussia Dortmund, 98 Real Madrid, 99 Manchester United, that's the day I get married, 2000 Real Madrid, 2001 Bayern München, 2002 Real Madrid, and I was there, I was at that final, 2003 Milan, 2004 Porto, 2005 Liverpool, 2006 Barcelona, 2007 Milan, 2008 Manchester United, 2009 Barcelona, 2010 Inter, 2011 Barcelona, 2012 Chelsea, 2013 Bayern Munich, 2014 was Real Madrid, 2015 Barcelona, 2016 Real Madrid, 2017 Real Madrid, 2018 Real Madrid, 2019 Liverpool, 2020 2020 was Bayern Munich, 2021 was Chelsea, 2022 Real Madrid, 2023 Manchester City. Runners up: 56 Stade de Reims, 57 Fiorentina, 58 Milan, 59 Stade de Reims, 60 Eintracht Frankfurt, 61 Barcelona, 62 Real Madrid, 63 Benfica, 64 Real Madrid, 65 Benfica, 66 Partizan Belgrade, 67 Inter of Milan, 68 Benfica, 69 Ajax Amsterdam, 70 Celtic, 71 Panathinaikos, 72 Internazionale, 73 Juventus, 74 Atletico Madrid. After a replay, 75 was Leeds United, 76 Saint Etienne, 77 Borussia Mönchengladbach, 78 Club Bruges, 79 Malmo, 80 Val Hamburg, 81 Real Madrid, 82 Bayern Munich, 83 Juventus, 84 AS Roma, 85 Liverpool, 86 Barcelona, 87 Bayern Munich, 88 Benfica, 89 Steaua Bucharest, 90 Benfica, 91 Olympic Marseille, 92 Sampdoria, 93 Milan, 94 Barcelona, 95 Milan, 96 Ajax Amsterdam, 97 Juventus, 98 Juventus, 99 Bayern Munich was nearly Manchester United, but Bayern Munich, 2000 Valencia, 2001 Valencia, 2002 was Bayer Leverkusen, 2003 Juventus, 2004 Monaco, 2000 AS Monaco, 2005 Milan, 2006 Arsenal, 2007 Liverpool, 2008 Chelsea, 2009 Manchester United, 2010 Bayern Munich, 2011 Manchester United, 2012 Bayern Munich, 2013 Borussia Dortmund, 2014 was Atletico de Madrid, 2015 Juventus, 2016 Atletico Madrid, 2017 Juventus, 2018 was Liverpool, 2019 Tottenham Hotspur, 2020 Paris Saint-Germain, 2021 Manchester City, 2022 Liverpool, 2023 Inter of Milan. So there you go. That's just me doing a wee short video to try and test out if this thing is syncing. You want the Cup Winners' Cup as well? You want to do the Cup Winners' Cup? Okay, right. Because I think the thing is, I'm thinking that the videos are they're in sync the first 5 minutes. If I don't go too long, they're okay. But if I did an 18-minute video and it started losing the synchronicity around about the 8th minute. So I'll see how long that's 5 minutes. Right, okay, so European Cup, Winners' Cup, 1961 is Fiorentina. They beat Rangers, didn't they? 62 Atletico Madrid, 63 Tottenham Hotspur, 64 Sporting Club de Portugal of Lisbon, 65 West Ham United, 66. Excuse me. It's Borussia Dortmund, 67 Bayern München, 68 Milan, 69 Slovan Bratislava, 70 is Manchester City, 71 is Chelsea, 24th of May 1972 in front of 24,701 people in the Nou Camp Stadium, Barcelona. Referee Ortiz de Mendibel Monasterio. The winning team was number 1 McCloy, 2 Jordan, 3 Matheson, Greg Johnston, that's Johnson with an E, Derek Johnston, Smith, McLean, Con, Steen, McDonald, W Johnston. That's John Smith without an E. I missed him, didn't I? Anyway, it's Willie Johnston, and the winning goals were scored by Steen, 24 minutes, and W Johnston, 40 and 49 minutes. Opposition replied through Estrakov and Makovikov. And the winning captain was John Gregg for the 1972 European Cup Winners' Cup champions Rangers FC. 73 Milan, 74 Magdeburg, 75 Dynamo Kiev, 76 Anderlecht, 77 HSV at Hamburg, 78 Anderlecht, 79 Barcelona, 80 Valencia, 81. I don't know if I've not got something pinned up in the wall here. I shut right. 80 Valencia, 81 Dinamo Tbilisi, 82 Barcelona, 83 Aberdeen, 84. Hey, no, that's true. Check it up. 83 Aberdeen, 84 Juventus, 85 Everton, 86 Dynamo Kiev, 87 Ajax of Amsterdam, 88 KV Mechelen, 89 is, oh God, I'm starting to lose it here. The 89 European Cup Winners' Cup. Oh, now 89 is Barcelona, because I remember it's the final, beating the finalists, come back the following year and won it, and that was Sampdoria 1990, 91 Manchester United, 92, sorry, Coventry House is actually up. 92 was Werder Bremen, 93 is Parma, 94 Arsenal, 95 Real Zaragoza, 96 that was Paris Saint-Germain, 97 Barcelona, 98 Chelsea, and the 19th of May 1999, the last ever Cup Winners' Cup final, and I was there. It was goals for Christian Vieri, equaliser from Danny, and then the winning goal scored, kind of left to right as I was looking at it, from the Dougallis stand into the north stand, a wee half volley, 10 minutes to go from the edge of the box by Pavel Nedved for the last ever winners of the Cup Winners' Cup, Lazio. I'm not doing that's 8 minutes. I'll come back and I'll do the runners up. The Cup Winners. 61 was Rangers, 62 Fiorentina, 63 Atletico Madrid. Can you see what's happening there? The team that won it the year before is coming. That's what happened 11 times in the Cup Winners' Cup. The holder lost the following season's final. It was never retained. So this is really difficult. It's a lot of teams to get through. I'll just see it. I'll try and take up to 10 minutes. What are we at there? 64 MTK Budapest, 65 TSV München 1860, 66 Liverpool, 67 Rangers, 68 Hamburg, 69 Barcelona, 70 Gornik Zabrze, 71 after a replay Real Madrid. There was other replays, I'm not going to, 72 Moscow Dynamo, 73 Leeds United, 74 was Milan, 75 Ferencváros, 76 West Ham United, 77 Anderlecht, 78 Austria Vienna, 79 Fortuna Düsseldorf, 80 Arsenal and penalties, 81 Calzais Jena, 82 1982 European Cup runners up with a Standard Liège, 83 that's Real Madrid, 84 Porto, 85 Rapid Vienna, 86 Atletico de Madrid, 87 was Lokomotiv Leipzig, 88 was Ajax of Amsterdam, 89 that took me ages to get the last time, and what's my mental block in 1989? I completely forgot. It's Sampdoria. I actually explained it last time round. It's Sampdoria, and in 1990 Sampdoria beat Gothenburg, IFK Gothenburg in the final. No, the final was in Gothenburg. They beat Anderlecht. It was in the Ullevi. Aye. So it's Anderlecht in 1990. 91, Man United beat Barcelona. 92, AS Monaco. 93. So I just every time I mention Monaco, it just gets me on the fact that Arsene Wenger lost all three European finals to Monaco and one with Arsenal. He must be really pleased now that there's Conference League is coming in as they make up the new three of European finals. That's one he hasn't lost the final. Not too late yet though. Arsene, get yourself back in there. Where are we? 92, 93 was Royal Antwerp, 94 Parma, 95 Arsenal, 96 Rapid Vienna, 97 Barcelona beat PSG. That's just a runner-up coming back and losing the following year's final, isn't it? 98 was VfB Stuttgart losing to Chelsea, and Stockholm 99. That one I was at was Real Mallorca. Hector Cooper's Real Mallorca. Right, I'll come back with the first cup in the UEFA Cup in the Europa League.